Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. Hope you're all doing well. It's I, Cherry Ellen. We're here to bring you a kind of like a football Sunday type of thing. Casey made this for us many moons ago, and he recently, like yesterday, asked me to make it again. Or asked to make it. He used to make it. Now I'm going to make it for him. So anywho, it is Dorito Lasagna. You heard me right. Dorito Lasagna. So you can get a party-sized bag of Doritos, any kind. You can get Cool Ranch, you can get whatever flavor is your favorite. Okay? And we're going to need a large casserole dish that I sprayed with Pam. You can lightly butter it, oil it, whatever. Okay, now let's get started. I took the liberty of getting ahead of this, and I fried up 2 pounds of hamburger lean ground beef, whatever grade you use. Just make sure you strain off the excess fat when you're done, and get a packet of taco seasoning. Put it in, follow the directions on your packet of taco seasoning, and that part is done. So we put this in a bowl like that. Now I have 2 cans of cream of chicken. These are 10-ounce cans, 284 mils. That goes in there. Another one. Now we have 650 mils of salsa. Get your favorite kind. Chunky, hot, medium, mild, doesn't matter. And 650 mils is about 22 ounces. Okay, put that in there. We're adding something that we didn't have in the last time we had it. This is just a corn medley, like got olives and stuff in it. We just thought it'd be nice to have. It has some peppers and that in it. This is about between 13 and 14 ounces, 398 mils. Putting that in there. We're going to give it all a mixy mix. Okay, and if you want, you can throw jalapenos and stuff in there. Whatever you like. Now, what bag do you want to use, Case? Do you want this one? Or you want to do a little bit of both?
I kind of want to do a bit of both.
Okay. Do you want to do like a layer, you want them both mixed together and then crumble? Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to do half of this bag and half of the next one. You can put this in a food processor if you want. Or you can put it in a baggie and then use the a rolling pin or something to crush it. I'm going to get another one. But Casey likes the different sizes. Doesn't want it to be all crumbled, so we're doing it by hand, I guess. I'm so strong.
That's fast.
Yeah. Pulverized it. Don't need no machine. Jerry's a machine.
The machine!
Okay. That looks good to me. My oven is preheated to 350 in case I didn't already say that. I have 4 cups of grated cheddar cheese. Use whatever cheese you feel like. I reserved 1 cup. Tell you why in a minute. So, we're going to cover our bottom. We might actually need to use the 2 party bags because I'm making quite a bit. Might even grate more cheese. Let's find out. Oh no, this would be easier if I just did this. Do you want me to push it over there more?
Sort of.
Now we're going to take some cheese. that in. Some more crumbs. I'm going to repeat. Woo! I got gloves on. You're good.
It's just such a neat.
Okay.
It's definitely something that I remember, even though I only made it.
You only made it like a couple times back in high school.
Yeah.
Back in the day. So it's been a while. Okay. Now we're going to cover this. You can cover it with. Actually, that's not. I'm gonna have to maybe grate some more. Okay. We're gonna cover this in the oven 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Then we're gonna take it out, put some more cheese on it, leave it uncovered, and back in for 10-15. So you can cover it with foil wrap, whatever. Squish it one. Oh no, it's not touching. Okay. Alrighty. We'll be back.
Right.
We'll show you. Want to show them like the step of putting the cheese in back in, or you want to just show them the end? Show them
It's up
both.
to you.
Don't forget the step.
So that was how long?
I was in there for like 35 minutes almost. So now it goes in there for another, uncovered for another 10 or 15.
Cool.
You're back. Tell me when you're ready. Taking it out. I'm gonna do one more thing to it, just because I can't leave well enough alone. Wow, man, that weighs like 100 pounds. It does seem it's sizzling hot. Watch this.
Cool.
Put some sour cream on there. Some little bit of prettiness, some dry chives. Tell me, does that look good?
That looks good.
Okay. Okay, guys, I cut it and try it, but I don't want to burn my face off, or my lips off, or my tongue off. So what I'm going to do is just let you admire the goodness, and we're going to let it cool and go back to I can just scoop up a corner and you can see, but we got to get back to our football.
Oh, do you got a plate?
I could have just lifted up
Oh, okay.
and just show them. I got you when you let it cool, it is set nicely too. Look at that.
Whoa, that looks good. It's a good shot. Wow.
See that? It's too hot for me right now, though.
All right.
Okay. Keep good heart, guys. God bless. Stay safe. Happy holidays. Enjoy your day. Bye.